but more just... Did y'all hear that thunder? Oh my goodness. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. But you're here now, so might as well be subscribed. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on a whole bunch of bathing suits from Shein. I've been shopping here a lot actually within this whole quarantine period because their clothes are very inexpensive. Nothing I bought, no bikini that I purchased was over like $15. The quality is there. I like all my swimsuits. I know this whole quarantine thing is really throwing me personally off. I don't know about you guys, but it's throwing me off because it's summertime and like we can't go anywhere. But I was just thinking like, look, I haven't even bought any swimsuits this whole summer, fall, nothing. Like I bought no swimsuits this whole year. And I was like, why not make a video, show you guys what all my swimsuits look like. So you get to see what they look like when I try them on. So if you're interested in what these swimsuits look like, if you've heard of Shein, I know you have because it is all over all social media platforms like Shein. So if you haven't heard about them, go check them out. They have really cute clothes, swimsuits, accessories, literally everything, and for a very cheap price. I had a idea in mind. I kind of wanted like a lot of the cute styles, but more so of the basic or solid color bathing suits. So a lot of my bathing suits are just like, you know, plain colors. I have a couple that are more like have patterns and colors, but more just... Did y'all hear that thunder? Oh my goodness. It is, I didn't even notice this about to start pouring down outside. Good grief. I was gonna go run some errands, but I guess that is canceled. I'm not trying to mess up my hair. I got most of my pieces in a size large, just for size reference. I think I did get one bathing suit in an extra large just because the top didn't look like it would fit me properly in my, you know, my chest area. So I'll keep you guys posted between sizes and how that goes. But go ahead and keep watching. If you like this video, if you like Shein, go ahead and like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and try on these bathing suits, shall we? Okay guys, so this is the first bathing suit I'm going to be showing you guys. It is all white. It's your classic white, can't go wrong with white. You know, throw on your nice fresh set of white nails, fresh white toes, and go about your business. On the beach, pool, doesn't matter where you are in this bathing suit, you are gonna be looking good, looking cute. So specs, as you can tell, it's just this like nice like triangle top bathing suit. I think it's really cute. It fits fairly good. It could have been a little bit bigger just because I have a little bit of spillage on both like the top and on the sides. So it could have been a little bit bigger. This is a size large, just for size reference. I could have went up in the top area. It's a little bit on the small side. But besides that, I think it fits really good on. It has like this little like rib detailing to it. I didn't like zoom up close and personal, but it does have some rib detailing on both the top and on the bottoms. As you can tell, the bottoms are just kind of like your basic plain Jane white bathing suit bottom. I think they fit pretty good in the back. They're cheeky, but like not too cheeky. So you're showing cake, but like not too much. The straps are adjustable, so that's cool. They have like this little clasp in the back to make sure you're secure. What I do like about this bathing suit, although the top is a little bit on the small side for me personally, I can adjust everything else. So the straps are adjustable as well as the little clasp in the back. So regardless of this little cup size, I can adjust it as need be. So overall, I really like this bathing suit. I think it looks really good. Can't go wrong with white. It just, you know, a bright pop of color. So yeah, tell me guys what you think. If you like this bathing suit, give this video a nice little thumbs up. Tell me guys what you think. But I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into my next bathing suit so you see what that one looks like, because I like this one. The first one is a yes for me. Okay guys, so this is the next bathing suit, and let's just start off by saying I love it. I think it looks really good on. I love the color, the shape, the style, everything about this bathing suit. I love it. There is a huge downside to this bathing suit, kind of the reason I keep looking off to the side, but I'll show you guys and tell you guys what that is in just a second. I'm gonna hit on some specs on this swimsuit first. A lot of swimsuit companies have this particular swimsuit style, the whole undercut thing, and this is my first time ever purchasing a swimsuit that has this underwire. and I really love it. Like, it just shapes out your girls really nice. I did have to get this swimsuit in extra large because I just knew the top would not fit right if I got a large. I'm kind of just starting to think that maybe I should just go ahead and get the extra large and swimsuit tops, but I'm holding on to my size large. And I think they fit better. A lot of times when I get extra larges, they're too big in my back area. They just don't fit. Like, I don't fit in extra large. But as far as my boobs, my breasts go, I need an extra large for my boobs. Needless to say, this top does not fit properly at all. Like, this is why I keep looking off to the side, because I'm making sure one of my nips don't fall out. I don't have just a slip, because if I gotta do all of this checking and looking and doing all this here now, I can't wear this anywhere else. Say a beach, say a pool, anything like pool party. I don't care if I'm going to the pool by myself and, you know, one just falls out. I really don't care. But as far as, you know, being in public and being around other people, this bathing suit for me personally would not work out. I'm constantly have to keep, you know, my nip in line and make sure it's not overflowing too much in the top. And then I also got to make sure, you know, I don't get that like under boob down below. So this top is giving me a lot of problems, and unfortunately I won't be able to wear it like that like I wanted to. This is my first time ever getting one of these underwire bras, swimsuits, and I think it's really cute, but unfortunately I just can't do this one. This is what the back looks like. The bottoms, they are cheeky, but like I said, in the first pair they're not like too cheeky. I really just love the color. I think it looks really good on. Do a little nice little 360. And I don't know, tell me guys what you think. If you like this bathing suit, if you like the color, you like the style, the underwire, let me know what you think. I like it. I just, you know, the top is giving me some problems. So like I said, I definitely probably won't be able to wear this, you know, out in public, but I still think this bathing suit is really cute. I love the color, style, everything. So if it's not a pool party or I'm going to the beach, you probably will be seeing me in this bathing suit. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my next bathing suit. Okay guys, so this is the next bathing suit, and once again, I love it. So far, I've been loving all my bathing suits from Shein. They're really cute, super, super cute. And so just to keep it in the same brown family, I decided to put on this one next. And once again, no, it's not like really brown, but like it's more of like a rusty brown type thing, golden. I don't know what you would describe this color, but I think it's really cute. It has like this ribbed velvet detailing on it, which I think is super cute. It gives it, you know, I don't know, some texture. It has a lot of texture, and I really like it. I like that this bathing suit is different. You don't really see a lot of bathing suits that have, like I said, once again, texture to them. So like I said, I really like this bathing suit. It looks really good. It fits really good on. This bathing suit is in a size large. The sleeve or the strap has like this one arm asymmetrical look going on. I think it's really cute. So the back has this drawstring in the back where you can adjust your top sizing. And don't make fun of me. I know I did this really bad. It looks really bad. Let me just go ahead and yeah, boom. So you can adjust the back with this string, which is really cool. It's adjustable, even though it is like a one arm or one sleeve, or you just throw it on, it's still adjustable. So I really like that aspect about this swimsuit top. And the bottoms, as you can tell, has the same texture going on, has the rib detailing on it, and it's velvet like the top is as well. They are this like high-waisted, kind of like up under your hip type swimsuit bottoms, and I think they're really cute. Yeah, that's just that on this swimsuit. I really like it. I love the color, the detailing, the style. Like, have y'all seen a swimsuit like this before? Because I haven't. I mean, if y'all have, like, you know, kudos to you. I just haven't. I really just like the detailing on this swimsuit, and for like, I don't know, 12 bucks, like you can't beat that. Like a whole swimsuit, not 12 feet top, 12 feet bottom, a whole set. You get the top and the bottom for like 12 bucks. You honestly can't beat that. And the style, the quality, everything is there. I don't know. Like I said, can't beat that. Like this video if you like this swimsuit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into my next swimsuit. Okay guys, so for my next bathing suit, I wanted to spice things up just a little bit more. You know, it was getting a little hot in here, so I decided to dress appropriately for the occasion. And you know, I mean, it is getting hot outside. I think just the other day it was like almost 90 degrees, so I mean, since it is getting hot outside, I thought I would dress appropriately. But anywho, this is the next bathing suit. As you can tell, it's just like this fiery orange printed bathing suit. The top is more so kind of like your sporty looking top. It's kind of like a sports bra-ish type top. Only thing about this top, it looks a little lopsided, only because I was having a lot of trouble tying this. I don't know if it's just me, it probably is, but you can adjust the strings in the back. But it's a little weird. Like when you pull one side, it tightens one side but loosens the other, and I've tried pulling the other side, and as you can tell, it looks kind of crazy in the back, but you can adjust the strings. They are adjustable, but that's why I'm looking a little wonky right now, because I wasn't getting my strings together. I couldn't figure it out with myself. It's nice and supportive. Once I figure out how to, properly do the strings, we'll be in good business, because as you can tell, it ain't supposed to be like this. Regardless, it's still cute. The bottoms are super cute as well. This is what they look like, more so on the cheeky side, but you're covered, so that's really all that matters. I just really like the color. Brightens up your room, your mood, just literally everything. You go outside and there I am, because I'm in this bathing suit. I'm just a big ball of fire. But I don't know, I really like this bathing suit. Tell me guys what you think about it. If you like it, is this something that you would rock to the beach, the pool? Let me know down below in the comment section. If you like this bathing suit, go ahead and give this video a nice little thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, that's just that on this bathing suit. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in my next one and show you guys what that one looks like. Okay guys, so this is the next bathing suit, and I'm having a little issue with the top. I really wasn't even gonna show you guys this bathing suit, and if I do, we've made it here, we've made it this far, might as well show them all, right? But like, this one is a no. This is a no-go. This bathing suit is in a size large, and it's fitting me like a size small. Only thing this bathing suit top is actually fitting in the little triangle cup is my nipple. So I don't want to get demonetized, but this is what the bathing suit looks like. Like I said, it doesn't fit properly. It could fit a lot better. It could be cute. This bathing suit has a lot of potential. I actually bought this bathing suit for a photo shoot, but once I saw that it did not, fit properly, I had to hurry up and go buy another gold bathing suit, but this one was not it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick 360. This is what the bathing suit looks like. I liked how the bottoms had that no string action on them as well. As you can tell, the bottoms are cheeky, like all the other ones. This one more so is low-key a thong, because this is basically a thong, let's just say that. This bathing suit would be really cute if the cups are a little bit bigger for me, because I'm just not fitting in it whatsoever. But I just want to at least show you guys what it looks like if I do decide on putting this part out there. But we're gonna have to go at least 2 sizes up, because this is, like I said, a no-go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change and show you guys what the next bathing suit looks like. Hopefully you guys will like it. It's the last bathing suit, so last one, best one, right? So let's go ahead and get changed into my next bathing suit. Okay guys, so this is my next, final, last, grand finale. This is my last bathing suit from Shein. It is obviously just this black, basic, solid color bathing suit with this little front tie, and I think it is really cute. Like I said, it is a solid black. It's more so on your basic side, and I still honestly love it. I have another black bathing suit, but it's more so like your classic bathing suit with your strings on the side, tie up on the top. So I wanted something a little different, and I got this black bathing suit. The top, I think, is really cute. It is your basic like triangle topped bathing suit with this little tie in the front, which is adjustable. Aside from this little string, the straps in the back are adjustable as well. So no matter what size you are, you can adjust the straps, which is really cool. I think they fit great on my chest area. I didn't have to do too much adjusting or anything like that. I just threw this one on and went about my business. The bottoms look as so, just plain black bottoms. This is what they look like in the back. So they are cheeky, but not, once again, not too cheeky. You know, everything's covered, everything's in there. But honestly, truly, I love this bathing suit. You can't go wrong with a nice classic black bathing suit. That's why I had to get a nice classic black and a nice classic white. But yeah, that's just that on this bathing suit. I think it looks good. I'm gonna give you one more 360. And that is it for my Shein haul. That is all my bathing suits. Go ahead and drop a comment and tell me what was your favorite bathing suit. I would love to know. I love hearing back from you guys. So go ahead and tell me which one was your favorite. Do you have any plans once we get out of quarantine? Do you plan on going to the beach, the pool, or are you already doing that now? I don't know. Go ahead and talk to me. Tell me guys what you guys are up to in this quarantine. It's been too long. 3, almost 4 months in the house doing nothing, but I hope you guys are so safe out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and like this video if you haven't already. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already either. You here now, you watched the video, so go ahead and make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to watch other videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.